What if humanity just vanished? What would our cities look like after 10, 50, or even 100 years? It's not science fiction. There are places on Earth where this has already happened, giving us a stunning glimpse into a world reclaimed by nature. Picture this: crumbling skyscrapers draped in ivy, highways turned into green rivers of grass, and wild animals roaming freely through what were once bustling downtown streets. From the hauntingly beautiful exclusion zone of Chernobyl to forgotten island towns, nature's power to transform our concrete jungles is absolutely breathtaking. These real-life abandoned places show us how resilient our planet is, painting a powerful picture of a world where green triumphs over gray. Join me as we explore these incredible forgotten worlds. Subscribe for more amazing stories.